Buongiorno paisani, how are you? It's a beautiful, hot and humid day, but it's okay. We don't complain because here in Canada we get long, harsh winters. So whatever temperature we get that's not snowing or hailing or freezing cold, we'll take it. So, tonight, niscemo. Nesciri. That's today's Sicilian word that I want to teach you. It means to go out. In Italian we say uscire. So, stasera esco. Tonight I'm going out. Stasera nescio. We're going out. We're going to have fun. I'm going to meet my friends, my angels. We're going to have a lot of laughs. And guys, you have to appreciate life. Perché non si sape quando viene chiamata che la magiri. So, yes, we all think we're invincible. We all think that we're so strong and we're so much more powerful than another person or than our own selves. But you know what? We're just a speck of dust. So, take advantage of life, forgive freely, and live life to its fullest. Don't listen or don't get involved with gossip and drama. We don't need that in our life. We need love, we need positivity, and we need to take it all in, absorb it all the good. And you know what? The more we do good, the more good there will be in the world. So let's learn to love each other and live in harmony. That's it for today. Basta predicare. I'm not preaching to you no more. Ci vediamo presto. Salutamu, everybody. Mwah.